What's up guys, my name's Jay, welcome back to another video. And today's going to be a pretty quick video. We're doing a really simple mod to the Chevy Colorado today, and it's going to involve blacking out the Chevy logo on your actual steering wheel. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these vinyl overlays and install it over this gold Chevy bow tie to black that out. We're going to use some simple rubbing alcohol to clean this down, make sure we have some good adhesion, stick the sticker, and then we're going to heat it up with the fiance's hair dryer here. So stick around and see how this works. All right, so there's the final product. Took all of 2 minutes. So what you want to do when you're applying this, if you're going to try this, is actually, I started doing it from the edge and I was working my way in, and what I figured out was you actually want to start from the center and work your way out to the sides. So if you're installing it, go ahead and try it that way, but I think it came out pretty good. Obviously I got to put some more dressing on my steering wheel here, not the part that you actually drive with, but just the where the airbag is. Get that cleaned up so you don't have that chalkiness from the rubbing alcohol. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know your thoughts.